Let's have a look at the basic fields on the customer card. In number, we type in the customer number that we had defined. If it's been set up, it will use a number series. If your setup allows it, you can type in a customer number manually. In name, we state the customer's name. Under address and contact, we set in the customer's address. If we have set up postcodes in the postcode table, along with city, along with county region code, the city and county region code will be filled in automatically when I choose a postal code. It is also under address and contact that we define the language code for the customer. This is the language code that defines the language for which we communicate with the customer. Under invoicing, we need to make sure that the general posting group, the VAT posting group, and the customer posting group are set up. These will be explained further in another video. In currency code, we defined which currency the documents for the customer are calculated in. If the currency is equal to local currency, this field should be left blank. In the invoicing tab, we would also need to consider if our prices on the document should be shown including VAT or not. In payment terms, we define a payment terms code which indicate the payment terms that you are giving for your customer. In payment method code, we choose the payment method that we have set up and we would like our customer to use. In reminder terms, we choose a reminder term for our customer. If this is left blank, we will not be able to create reminders for this customer. In finance charge code, we define the finance charges that should be calculated for the customer. Under the shipping tab, if you're using locations, fill out the location code from where you would like the customer's orders to be automatically processed from. Last but not least, we have the shipment method code, which defines the shipment method that we would use for shipping our orders to the customer.